5525 Colorado Breeze. Remove satellite dishes. So this whole door and frame needs to be painted, needs to be rekeyed. We need 2 blinds in this front room. We have these beautiful high ceilings. We have the seam line going across, so we'd probably want to address that. Upgraded light fixture, beautiful tiles, nice neutral colors everywhere. Space saver microwave. It's not an undermount sink, but we could add a gooseneck faucet. This is the west side, so it will get a bit of the evening and a little bit of afternoon sun, but as you can see, we have this beautiful patio overhang. I don't know if we need rocks or not in this backyard. It really depends on what the property manager says. One thing that's nice is those trees block a lot of the windows from the neighbors. Not that one, but it does give you some privacy, which is nice. So we do have blinds here, but they're not the right kind. So this room, along with the kitchen, needs 5 blinds, and that one's very large. Remove cables throughout, get a new thermostat, rekey, so it doesn't matter that these are mismatched. So I think it's interesting that there's a bedroom downstairs. That blind needs to be replaced as well. I like that it's silver closet handle things. Well, I'm not sure about that closet door guide. That might need to be replaced. Patch certain areas or repair. I like that there's a bedroom downstairs. If I had the option, I would live in a bedroom downstairs, but we need the PM opinion on the layout and floor plan. Again, replace this thermostat with something that Nevada Energy doesn't control. Pantry. Looks like they didn't paint inside closets, but like I see things that need to be touched up here. You know, it's looking like it could use some touch up here. I'm not sure. Yeah, that's gonna have to be a PM call. If it were my property, I don't think I would repaint the whole thing. And as I say that, we come upstairs and we have certain areas that definitely need to be retouched. So when you have all these spots, you might as well just replace this, repaint this whole wall. And right there, get a vertical on here. At least there's a security bar. It's nice that the rooms are kind of separate. They're pretty private. So another vertical and 2 regular blinds. We have a little crack in the tile here. Sometimes you just want to put some gel like silica or something down so people don't cut their feet. But if it's installed correctly otherwise, then it's probably not an issue. This shower door is a tiny bit wobbly. These are the blinds we use. Sorry. Carpet looks pretty good. It looks like it needs to be stretched just a tiny bit here, safety concerns. It's really nice to have the laundry upstairs and to have a sink, and it's really big. It's a great laundry room. And here is the next bathroom. Don't know what's going on there. I don't know why they put a blind up there. Okay. And it connects directly to this room. That's very interesting. Very interesting. Okay. Oh. That's the furnace. Okay.